pambansang pulisya ay patuloy ang pagsasagawa ng mga programa at inisyatibo tungo sa epektibong pagpapatupad ng batas, partikular sa bayan ng Manaoag.
Magandang gabi po sa atin lahat, lalong-lalo na sa taga-subaybay at tagapakinig ng ating programa. Police at your service, Police Major Napoleon Election Jr., ang Chief of Police ng pinagpalang bayan ng Manaoag. In terms of accomplishment, ang Manaoag Police Station ay may recorded na for being tagged down as top performing police station for the previous year, calendar year 2003. The implementation of synchronized anti-crime law enforcement operation focusing on anti-illegal drugs, illegal gambling, wanted person at arrest of wanted person natin. At as of now, we have recorded 18 drug operational accomplishments as of January 2024 to present. And of course, we have also 32 arrested wanted person mula January. Kabilang na dito ang top 1 municipal level wanted person natin, ma'am. And idagdag ko na rin, 7 drug-cleared barangays last March 2024 in addition to the 16 drug-cleared barangays from the previous years. Meron pang 3 remaining barangays which are due for PDEA deliberation and expected to be completed, processed, and awarded this second quarter, ma'am.
Narito ang Best Public Service Engagement Programs ng Manaoag upang masiguro ang peace and order and safety.
Meron po tayong tinatawag na Project PLEAD na Movable Police Community Precinct, hango sa salitang Ilocano na ibig sabihin ay gulong na kasalukuyang naka-preposition sa mga strategic areas of convergence. Ang Project PLEAD na ito, ma'am, ay strong collaboration with the Manaoag LGU. P stands for Police Presence to Areas of Convergence, and I, Immediate Response to Crime Emergency and Non-Emergency Calls, and strict L, Law, E, Enforcement for the Deterrence of Crime and Strengthening of Community Engagement.
Ibinahagi rin ni Police Major Election Jr. ang kanilang kampanya kontra iligal na droga.
Ang Manaoag Police Station sa aking pamumuno ay patuloy na pinapaigting natin ang ating kampanya against illegal drugs upang makuha natin ang 100% drugless community. Ang chain of custody ay properly sinusunod upang mapanatili ang admissibility and reliability of evidence in legal proceedings, na pinapanatili rin natin ang magandang rapport and collaboration relationship sa RTC at the same time sa judiciary personnel branch to effectively and efficiently complete criminal justice objectives. Patuloy rin ang active close coordination natin sa LGU para sa Balay Silangan Reformation Program, ma'am.
Katuwang ang lokal na pamahalaan, maigting ang pagsasagawa ng mga programa kontra kriminalidad ng Pulis Manaoag.
Luckily for Manaoag, because of a good symbiotic relationship, we accomplish things, for the better. Kaya nga, with our Chief of Police now, I can confidently say na we're doing good. And in fact, Manaoag, because we're a pilgrimage town, we are the #1 tourist destination for the whole Region 1. That's why that gives us an extra challenge to really manage first peace and orderliness, at saka kasama na rin po dyan yung visibility. We have conceptualized a mobile PCP, na banggitin ko na rin. This PCP, I think this is the very first for the whole Philippines, which we can pull around where the action is. We fully support the leadership of our Provincial Director, Colonel Fanged. He's doing great actually. He's very visible. And in fact, the projects being undertaken by the Provincial Command is being felt dito sa aming locality. And in fact, hindi lang siya, pati ang aming Regional Commander frequented Manaoag. Maybe for the church, and of course, maybe Manaoag talaga is, pag naririnig po kayo sa Manaoag, talagang there's a second look na talagang Manaoag is really a pilgrimage town na talagang pinupuntahan. So all the more, in cases of big events, the support of the province, the PPO, and even the regional office is always there.
Sa araw-araw na pagtupad sa sinumpaang tungkulin ay ganun din ang pagsusumikap ng Manaoag Municipal Police Station na mapanatiling maayos at ligtas ang lugar. Sa ating mga kababayan na nais magpaabot ng kanilang mga katanungan at sumbong, huwag po kayong mag-atubiling kumontak sa mga sumusunod na numero ng telepono: 075-529-0302 o kaya naman ay sa 0998-598-5123. Maaari din kayong kumontak sa pamamagitan ng kanilang Facebook page, Manawag Police Station.
Asahan niyo po na kami ay laging handa upang ipatupad ang batas at labanan ang kriminalidad. Naniniwala ako na ang law enforcement and community members ay dapat makapag-develop ng positive working relationship upang makabuo ng pangmatagalang solusyon at mapataas ang tiwala ng pagitan ng pulisya at ng publiko. Muli, magandang gabi po at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Police Major Napoleon, Election Junior, Chief of Police ng Manawag Police Station. Sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.